Who can resist healthy and glowing skin? Especially when that glow is all natural. Beauty companies tell us that healthy skin result from using their expensive soaps, creams, and toners. Yet many of these products are full of chemicals that harm our bodies, not heal them. And unfortunately, all natural alternatives can be even more expensive. How can we achieve healthy and glowing skin? Our skin, our largest organ, it often acts as a window into the health of our entire body. If our body is healthy, our skin will be too. In other words, beauty comes from inside out. Healthy skin begins with eating well and staying hydrated. 5 herbs for healthy and glowing skin. In addition to diet, nature has provided us with many healing plants that nourish our skin. They also help to alleviate common skin problems such as eczema and acne. First is aloe vera. Aloe vera moisturizes, heal inflammation, and can act as a natural sunscreen. Use it to soothe burns, irritated skin. It helps reduce acne scarring, redness, and is full of antioxidant to keep skin youthful. Burdock root. Burdock is such a common weed in many parts of the world that it makes a readily available herbal tonic. It is antifungal and anti-inflammatory. Use it both internally and externally to treat eczema, acne, and dry and scaly skin. Third is Calendula. This is one of my favorite garden flower and one of my favorite herbs for the skin. Calendula is an antiseptic, antifungal or anti-inflammatory. It helps heal a wide variety of skin complaints from sunburn to blisters to burn. Fourth is chickweed. Chickweed is another common weed found in many areas of the world. It relieves itching and heal cuts, burns, and other skin irritations. To use, apply to the skin as poultice, make it into a salve, or infuse it in hot water for soothing bath. And the last is chamomile. Although chamomile is known for being calming, it is also antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. It soothes skin irritations including acne, eczema, minor burns, cuts, and scrapes. To use, drink is as a tea or apply topically as an herbal salve. If you have a garden, chamomile is also easy to grow.